Hi everybody, missed you for 3 days. This is the 16th. I should have been doing the 14th, the 15th and the 16th, but too many things going on, not enough time, so I've had to join them all together here. And basically the 14th, which was my son's birthday, and I wished him happy birthday. We were shopping, I think we were Christmas shopping, and then on the evening we went to see the Wildcats of Kilkenny. Now his lordship kept calling them the Pirates of Penzance, but never mind. We went to see the Wildcats of Kilkenny, and we saw them last year, and they certainly put you into the Christmas mood, into the Christmas spirit. The young gentleman who plays the fiddle, I think he's a music teacher of some sort, and basically they only get together once a year. I think he was saying that they're going to do a few other performances in some of the social clubs to try and get social clubs going, but he said that normally they only play three nights every year: Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, just before Christmas. And they basically do all sorts of songs that involve fiddles, sing-along songs, a few carols, some Irish jig songs, all sorts of things, and it's really good fun. And what I'll do is I'll put a few snippets up for you to see what it was like.
Right. Yeah, basically I come from China. What's your name?
Wawa.
You're Wawa. W-A. Wawa. Or in Teesside, we got, like the Wawa pedal. I know what you're talking about. Just for the case of the gig, I've never met you before, have I? Wawa. You've seen our videos and you decided to come? Yeah. You know we're like the Fun Collective. Right, so you've seen the Wildcats of Kilkenny videos before, but you've never seen us before. Do you know that we are big in China? We played Beijing many times. Haven't we?
Yeah!
Yeah! Calm down. We're not going back. And we played Kunming. Have you been to Kunming? That's in the south of China. You know, I mean, if you love China, this is really interesting, but we're probably boring, aren't we? So, no, stay here. Why are you in Stockton? Don't be stupid, you can't just come from China to see us. Did you come all the way from China to here, to this?
This time.
Now he's scaring me.
No, this time that I came all the way from China to see you guys, but I came all the way from somewhere else to see you guys, and I don't even live in Stockton, and I don't even drive, so.
You have made the effort. Don't worry, you bought a ticket. That's enough for it. So where do you live now then, Wawa? Fairly quickly.
Somewhere by the beach.
Somewhere by the beach. Seaton, Carew, Redcar. Do you know, every year this gets more and more weird. with your partner one more time, okay? Let's see if we can make them sick. Fill you up in love and young with love, and yeah, that will I do. Fill you up in love and young with love, and yeah, that will I do. Fill you up in love, I'm in love, I don't feel like it. Fill you up in love, I'm in love. Fill you up in love.
And then yesterday was Mummy's birthday. It was her 97th birthday. She isn't looking too bad. Partner decided he wanted to have a birthday party for her. He ordered far too much food because the home wouldn't let a lot of the guests have too much to eat because they were getting fish and chips for tea, and they like their fish and chips, and they didn't want to be spoiling their evening meal, so they had a few little things to eat, like an afternoon tea, but not much. And it was really funny because when we went in, obviously they've all got dementia, and so they're all just sitting like that and not talking, hardly saying anything. And the girl who there's an events organizer who works there called Carol, and she got them going. She didn't actually get them going, but she got the music going, and she kind of puts a bit of spirit into it, so it wasn't too bad. I'll put a couple of videos up of the birthday party.
No. Right, are we all ready?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jacquie. Happy birthday to you. Blow them out, blow. Are we ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kathleen. Happy birthday to you.
Let's blow the candles out. Are we ready? Big blow.
Come on, Kath. Come on.
Blow, Kathleen.
Hey, well done.
So here it is, Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only just begun.
So then we got back late from that, and then today, well, I've been pottering and doing things, getting on with some jobs that I needed to get done, and really haven't had much time. So I just thought I'm gonna have to go on tonight to let you see, just to have a chat with you. So today we've kind of potted. The sun came out, and his lordship said, "Oh, should we go somewhere?" And then he disappeared upstairs. His granddaughter's learning a guitar song, and I can't think who it is, but he wanted to go and practice it himself and see if he could do it. So he went upstairs, disappeared upstairs, and by the time he came downstairs it was dark, so we just said, oh, we'll not bother. So anyway, we've just been pottering today, really, what you tend to call potter. I've been emptying a cupboard out, trying to declutter even more, and I'm emptying cupboards and things out. And so what I thought I'd do is I'll just put the Jackie Lawson bits, the advents together, and then I will do the I can never say that lady's name, the German lady's patterns. So hopefully I will be back either tomorrow or Monday, and we'll catch you then and be with you for another Vlogmas. Bye. And this pattern by Juliana Martejevs is the Clara collar. Not sure it's my cup of tea. It's a little bit young looking for me. I used to wear that. I made collars like that years and years ago. Not really made the collars, but they were parts of a dress, probably when I was 18. Don't know that I'd want to wear it now. I'm beginning to think that some of these patterns are really for young people or younger than I am. There's some examples. You can wear it with t-shirts, jumpers. There's a t-shirt and she's wearing it with just like one of short crop top sort of. Not really me. There you go. Here's the pattern. Just 2 collars and a facing and strips for your ruffles. So that is the Juliana Martejevs Clara collar.